Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we're going to explore two of the best AI anime filter effect applications for Android. If you're a fan of anime and want to add that unique touch to your photos, then you're in for a treat. So, let's dive right in and check out the amazing features they offer. SnapEdit Anime. SnapEdit Anime is an application that utilizes artificial intelligence AI to apply anime filter effects to your photos. The app offers a wide range of anime filters that you can choose from to transform your photos and make them more captivating, resembling anime characters. With this app, you can apply iconic anime effects such as dramatic color accents, sharp image enhancements, and striking style adjustments. Additionally, SnapEdit Anime also provides basic editing features, enabling you to crop your images, adjust colors, and fine-tune image sharpness before applying the anime effects. Anime Filter. Anime Filter is a dedicated application designed to add anime filter effects to your photos. Powered by artificial intelligence AI, this app transforms your photos into images that resemble your favorite anime characters. Anime Filter offers a variety of anime filter options, including popular styles such as manga illustrations, dramatic lighting effects, and vibrant color enhancements. You can easily adjust the intensity of the filter effects to achieve your desired results. Moreover, Anime Filter also provides additional features such as photo cropping, color adjustment, and the ability to apply textured overlays, allowing for greater creative expression in the final output. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed discovering these incredible AI anime filter effect applications for Android. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of anime through your photos.